Top 5 Best HDMI over Ethernet Extender. Number 5. Mirabox HDMI Extender. The Mirabox HDMI extender is a budget-friendly option for extending HDMI signals over Ethernet cables. While it may not have the advanced features of some high-end extenders, it gets the job done for basic HDMI extension needs. This extender supports 1080 pixel resolution and can extend HDMI signals up to 164 feet using a single 6 cable. It's a plug-and-play solution, making it easy to set up without the need for complex configurations. The Mirabox HDMI extender is a cost-effective choice for home users and small-scale installations where budget constraints are concerned. Coming in number 4. 4K HDR HDBaseT Long-Range HDMI Extender Kit. For those seeking to transmit 4K HDR content over long distances, the 4K HDR HDBaseT Long-Range HDMI Extender Kit is a top-tier choice. This extender supports 4K Ultra HD resolutions at 60 Hz with HDR and can transmit HDMI signals up to 230 feet using a single 6 cable. It's an ideal solution for home theaters, auditoriums, and large conference rooms. The extender kit includes both the transmitter and receiver units, and it supports bidirectional IR control and RS-232 pass-through, making it compatible with advanced control systems. It also features auto-switching between inputs, which is useful for environments with multiple source devices. The 4K HDR HDBaseT Long-Range HDMI Extender Kit is a premium choice for demanding 4K HDR installations, providing exceptional video and audio quality over long distances. Coming in number 3. Gofanco 1080 pixel 1x4 4-port HDMI Extender. If you need to distribute a single HDMI source to multiple displays, the Gofanco 1080 pixel 1x4 4-port HDMI extender is an excellent choice. This extender allows you to transmit a 1080 pixel HDMI signal to up to 4 remote displays simultaneously using 6 cables. It's perfect for applications like sports bars, digital signage, and video walls. Each receiver unit in this extender kit has its own IR receiver, allowing you to control the source device from each remote display location. This feature adds convenience and flexibility to your setup. The Gofanco 1080 pixel 1x4 4-port HDMI extender offers a cost-effective solution for multi-display installations, and its robust construction ensures reliable performance even in demanding environments. Coming in number 2. AV Access HDMI Extender. The AV Access HDMI Extender is a high-performance extender designed for both residential and professional applications. It supports 4K Ultra HD resolutions at 60 Hz with HDR and can extend HDMI signals up to 164 feet using a single 6 cable. This extender is ideal for home theaters, conference rooms, and other settings where 4K video quality is crucial. One of the standout features of the AV Access HDMI extender is its support for bidirectional IR and RS-232 control, making it suitable for advanced control systems. It also features EDID management, ensuring that the source device and display communicate effectively to provide the best possible video and audio quality. The compact and durable design of the AV Access HDMI extender, along with its reliable performance, makes it a top choice for demanding AV installations. Coming in number 1. Gofanco HDBaseT HDMI Extender. The Gofanco HDBaseT HDMI extender is a versatile and reliable solution for extending HDMI signals over long distances. This extender supports resolutions up to 1080p at 60 Hz and can transmit HDMI signals up to 230 feet using a single 6 cable. It also supports bidirectional IR control, allowing you to control your source device from the remote display location. One of the standout features of this extender is its HDBaseT technology, which combines video, audio, and control signals into a single 6 cable, reducing cable clutter and simplifying installation. It also supports power over Ethernet, which means you can power both the transmitter and receiver units using the same 6 cable, eliminating the need for additional power sources. The Gofanco HDBaseT HDMI extender is a reliable and cost-effective choice for extending HDMI signals in residential or commercial installations where long cable runs are required.